The topic is auditor responsibilities for laws and regulation. There is segregation of responsibilities between the management and auditor for the responsibility of laws and regulation. Means what are management responsibility and what are auditors responsibility in relation to laws and regulation. So, management is responsible for implementing an internal control system to prevent and detect any non-compliance with laws and regulations. So, management is responsible to implement internal control system to prevent and detect any non-compliance, whereas the auditor should be alert throughout the process of audit for any instance of non-compliance with laws and regulation to take appropriate action. So remaining auditor should remain alert. Here alert can be synonym with the professional skepticism. Means auditor should use its professional skepticism throughout the process of audit for any instances of non-compliance with laws and regulation, and in case of non-compliance he should or she should take the appropriate action. Is NOCLER. NOCLER is the abbreviation for non-compliance with laws and regulation. NOCLER is defined by the new standard as comprising act of omission or commission, intentional or unintentional, which is contrary to the prevailing laws and regulation. Mean anything that is against the law. What is omission? Omission is law is not followed at all, and commission is law is followed but inappropriately. Means there are some mistakes in following. So non-compliance include omission or commission. Means you are not following the law or you are not following it properly. And then there is a subheading that is intentional and unintentional. Then omission and commission means non-compliance can be intentional or unintentional. Now moving to the next, there are two types of laws. Laws and regulation which are generally recognized to have a direct effect on the determination of material amounts and disclosures in the client's financial statement. Example of direct effect include IAS and IFRS standards, whereas the second type of law, that is laws and regulation, which may be fundamental to the operating aspect of client's business, to its ability to continue its business or to avoid material penalties. So other type of laws and regulation are that are fundamental to the operations, ability to continue and avoid material penalties. Responsibility when there is a NOCLER, when there is non-compliance with laws and regulation. First, that is obtaining an understanding of nature of act and the circumstances in which it has occurred, and further information to evaluate the possible effect on the financial statement. The first responsibility is an understanding of nature of act and the effect on its effect on financial statement. The second responsibility is discussing the matter with the management and those charged with governance and obtaining legal advice in certain circumstances. Now the third is evaluating the implications of NOCLER in relation to the other aspects of the audit. Now impact of NOCLER, once the NOCLER is identified, then its implication on the other aspects of the audit. Fourth, evaluating the impact of NOCLER on the audit opinion. Fifth, determining whether to report NOCLER to an appropriate authority outside the entity. And last, documentation. The responsibilities of the auditor. First is to understand the nature of act and its effect on the financial statement. Second is discuss with management and those charged with governance and taking legal advice if appropriate. And third is impact of NOCLER on the other aspects of audit. Fourth is impact on audit opinion. Fifth is considering the need to report to outside authorities and authority outside the entity. And last is documentation. Documentation is the entire documentation of what is the nuclear, its nature of act, from all the first five steps, that nature of effect on financial statement, the communication with the management, those charged with government, impact of nuclear to the other aspects of audit, and on impact on audit opinion. So entire documentation.